Welcome back, YouTube. I know it's been a while. Today we're going to start on a new build. Hope you guys like it.
I'ma flex on my ex, flex on the hoe. You still be in my head, so I'ma let you know. I realize how much I want you when I...
Alright guys, let's start off by explaining what the new project is, where the focus of the channel is going to be going. I hope you guys stick around, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. So first off, this is the new build. It's a 46 Willys Jeep. The plan is, the overall goal of this is to be really fast, or really low to the ground, and just something really unique that you don't see a lot of. So I have a ZX10 engine. That's a crotch rocket engine. It's an 04. It's a brand new engine. It's got 1,000 kilometers on it. And it was in my boat. And the first time that I went out and ran it, it dropped a valve in the cylinder and bent sideways. So I'll show you a clip here. Hopefully you guys can see that well in the video. So I kind of got annoyed with that. It's been sitting a couple of years now. Finally I decided I'm going to do something with this engine. So we're going to pull it apart, see what's salvageable. Hopefully it's just a head that needs to be replaced. And we'll go from there. At the rear of the engine, or the rear of the Jeep, a couple different options. I'm doing a front engine on this, so a couple options are to run a differential and then come up with some sort of a reverse. There's a few guys that make some kits out there, pretty expensive to do. So my plan is to use this Porsche transaxle from a 79 924. That unit will more than handle the power, and it's, it's 102 pounds. Most of these differentials I was looking at were close to the 70 pound, 75 pound rate anyways, so weight wise we should be sitting pretty good. After I put in some type of a reverse, I would have been about the same anyways. So yeah, the plan is if I'm ripping around in the city, I can throw the transaxle into fourth. It may even work out to be third gear. I haven't done all the math yet, so then yeah, shift the bike transmission 6 sequential gears, and should be pretty fun. I do have a electronic push button shifter for the bike. We'll see how things go. I may end up throwing that in there as well. So I've got push button on the steering wheel. And yeah, so I've got to build a full frame right from scratch. I don't know how much of this body I'm going to be using because it is pretty thick and it's not overly straight. And there's a few, the rear arches, once you get a really small tire in there, I don't know if I'm going to like the look of it. And I will have to figure that out at one point pretty soon, because the frame that I'm going to be building is going to almost be a unibody. I'm going 2x1 1/8 wall on the outside, like inside of the body, but right against the outside panels for the main structure. I have a torque tube that's going to also provide a lot of the support structure through the center, and 1x1 tubing up along the top, and forming the rest of the skeleton structure. Hopefully, my goal is to have everything hidden or built into it, so that you don't see anything underneath of it. And hopefully it's a blast to drive. We'll see. Might end up selling it when I'm done, who knows. We'll see how much I like it, I guess. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. stay tuned. Next thing we're gonna be doing is pulling this engine apart, see how bad the damage is. Hopefully it's salvageable. If not, I don't know. I would love to run a Hayabusa engine, but they're just so much money. So we'll see. Maybe one will fall into my lap. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
I'ma flex on my ex, flex on the hoe. You still be in my head, so I'ma let you know. I realize